In my very unscientific research of trying to find the best budget-friendly photo printer, I looked on YouTube and Instagram of the photographers that I follow and see what they use. And overwhelmingly, it's very popular that people are using the Canon Selphy CP1500 portable printer that you see here. It's very small and portable. In today's video, I'm going to answer 5 questions I had for myself in relation to the Canon portable printer. I'm going to leave timestamps below, so if you want to jump ahead to the different chapters based on what I talk about, please do so. The first question I have is, what comes in the box and can you start printing right away? Is it easy to physically set up and connect it to your phone? And how do I actually print directly from my phone? What is the print quality like? And what is the cost of each print? As you're watching the video and find it helpful, please remember to give it a thumbs up, like the video, and consider subscribing to my channel for similar content. So Costco had a Boxing Day sale where it included the Canon Selphy Compact CP1500 portable printer, included 108 sheets of 4x6 with 3 ink cartridges, as well as card size 18 sheet stickers with ink cartridge, and the cassette that holds it in place. And this was a bundle that I couldn't refuse for 130 Canadian dollars. And it's something that I've been eyeing for a while, and I decided just to pick it up. So this is a quick overview of the Canon Selphy 1500 CP. This is the Canon Selphy Compact Photo Printer Selphy CP1500 model. Let's take a look inside. So it comes with a registration card, warranty manual, which no one reads. Comes with, I think this is a sample ink cartridge. Comes with the cassette holder that holds 4x6, which we'll need. And I think this is, again, some sample paper it comes with. So the printer comes in 2 colors, black and white. I chose the black one, the dark one. Kind of matches my soul right about now. This comes with the AC adapter for your printer. In terms of the actual look itself, it has some knurling type texture on the top, I guess to kind of give it more of a fancier look. It has a nice bright LCD display, a menu button, directional pad, and the power button. It is Wi-Fi supported, well as USB connection, which I believe is on this side here. If we take a look in the front here, this is where you would enter a cassette or an SD card. On the side here is where you install the ink cassette. And then in the back here, if I open it up, is where you can purchase a battery and have it installed in the back to take it on the road. And then the DC in plug. Yeah, nothing really much on the bottom here. This is about it. First of all, it's very light as well. Like, I have no problem carrying this in a backpack if I was to take it on site somewhere. Again, it's pretty light. What we do now is open this up, install the paper into the tray, install the ink cartridge, turn it on, and let's print some pictures from my phone. This is, I guess, a 3-pack. This is the Color Ink Paper Set KP 1080IN. Comes with 4x6, 108 sheets, and 3 ink cartridges. So open it up here. Okay, it's in there. All right. So to put the paper in the tray, it says to open it up this way. I think you open it up again. Lifts up. Install. Just put the paper in. Just make sure it's nice and squared away. Close it back up. And then I would open this up. And slides in. Just like that. Okay. So I'm going to power it on. To answer the question is, can you print right away? The answer is yes. They do provide a sample printer cartridge as well as some sheets. There's 5 here in total. So you're able to print 5 pictures as a sample. Obviously, they want you to buy the other packs for it. Turn on. So I'm going to choose English. So it says you have to install an app. So click OK. So I'm going to install the app here. So just installing the app. Bunch of disclaimer. I'm just going to agree. Sure, allow. Okay, so let's see. Click OK. Enjoy Vibrant. Let's get started. So select routine. Yes. Scan the QR below the selfie photo layout. So it's asking to update the firmware. Agree. Download. Sending the firmware over. Okay. Click OK. Now that the firmware has been updated, you just click on the Selfie app. You click on the photos. It takes you to your photo library. So when I choose this picture, select it, hit OK. And now it kind of shows you a preview of the picture you want to print. So you just click print. And they give you some options. The first one is border. You can choose from borderless or bordered. So I like borderless. You can choose a background, is it a white or a black background? Print finish, glossy, semi-gloss, or satin, and I chose satin. And then image optimize when printing. It just allows you the app to auto-correct brightness and contrast. And so I left it on. Once you're satisfied with it, you just hit print, and it's going to the printer. It's going to ask you to join the Wi-Fi network. It's connected to the printer, and then it connects to the printer. Okay, so it says it's preparing, sending images 1-1. Okay, just speed up the process here. So it goes through 4 times. It prints the yellow, and then the magenta, and then the blue. And the last cycle it goes through is the satin glossy or semi-gloss finish. And so it's finally printing it out right now. All right, and here is my first picture. Very nice. Look at that. Super nice. Just want to take a closer look at the image quality. So I printed 4 pictures. I printed this one here in color. The color looks all right, and I printed one in black and white because I'm going to sketch this out in my art book. And it looks all right. The contrast isn't too bad. And then another one here. This one is a bit dull, but I think it's just a way that's calibrated. And then another picture here. So overall, I'm pretty happy with the quality of it. It's not as vibrant as is on my phone, but I think there's some color corrections. You could probably adjust that. Now, in terms of cost per print, so on Amazon, this is Amazon Canada, it's $54 for 108 sheets. So if you put this in the pricing calculator, it works out to about 50 cents per print, which is pretty reasonable and budget friendly. All right, so that concludes my video of the Canon portable printer Selphy CP1500. That is a mouthful. Overall, I'm very happy with the quality that it comes out of it. Overall, it's pretty budget friendly and it's about 50 cents per print, which is not too bad at all. If you have any questions or comments, please add it down below. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time.